Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and in this video we are going to solve a problem based on tree data structure, that is zigzag tree traversal. We are given a binary tree and we need to find the zigzag level order traversal of that binary tree. So I will explain it with you example and the diagram. So like this is given your tree. So in level order traversal, what we do, we will just print first level elements, then we print second level elements, then we print third level element. So what will be the level order traverse? That is, first is 9, then is 1, then is 2, then is 3, 4 and 5, right? But in zigzag level order traversal, what we do, we follow this approach. First of all, this and this. So we need to go to left to right, then right to left, then left to right, and then right to left if there are another nodes present. So what will be the zigzag level order traversal? So that is 9, then 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. What does it mean? It means that when we are at level 1, then we will print the elements in normal order, then we will print the element in the reverse order, then we will print the element in normal order, then we will print all the element in the reverse order. So this is the approach. So for doing it, to do it, what we do, we will just follow a variable that is bool, and I will just take a bool as f, that may be true or false. Let's consider it true. So when it is true, then we will just go from left to right, and if it is false, then we will go from right to left. Okay. So that this variable will decide the movement from left to right or left right to left. So let us try to code. So in like in level divided traverse, what we do, we will just make a queue and we will push the root into it, and we just take the front and we will push the elements. We will push the front into the vector, and then we will check if there is a right or left. Then we will just push that left or right in the queue. Like this, we are going to do. And in this, just the normal change is just we will just push all the element in the reverse order while going from right to left. So let's try to code. So first of all, what I will do, I will just let me increase the font. So first of all, I will make a vector. I'm sorry, I will just make a vector. Just make a vector int data type, and then then what I will do, I will check if जो हमारा root initially null तो नहीं है. If it is null, then we will just directly return the empty vector. Okay. And else what we will do, we will just make a queue data structure which will store the address of the node or root, and name is queue, and then initially what we will do, we will push our root into the queue. Then we will make a bool variable that is f, that is initially a false or true. You can say true, that we will, like, true means we will go from left to right, and if there is a false, then we will move from right to left. So what we will do, we will check while until our queue is not empty. Until our queue is not empty, then what we will do, we will just take the size, that how many elements in it, in size is equal to q dot size, that how many element in this is present. Then what we will do, we will just push all those elements in the vector. So the first condition is that if our flag is, let's say, true, then we will go from left to right. That means we will push the element in the normal order. तो हमें नॉर्मल ऑर्डर में पुश करने हैं ना, तो हम क्या करेंगे, लूप चलाएंगे साइज तक, and I plus plus कर देंगे, and we just take a node which will store the address of the front, kew dot front, and we just pop that element. After popping, what we will do, we will just push that element's data into the vector in place. I'm using in place back because it is slightly faster than the push back. Then I will check that is there any element at the right or at the left. So if t का जो लेफ्ट है वो हमारा प्रेजेंट है तो हम क्या करेंगे, क्या वो में उसको इंसर्ट करवा देंगे टी का लेफ्ट। सिमिलरली अगर हमारा टी का राइट प्रेजेंट है तो हम क्या करेंगे, क्या वो में इंसर्ट करवा देंगे उसका राइट। ओके, ये तो है जब हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहे हैं, बट इफ व्हाट हैपन व्हेन we need to go from right to left, then we will just push all the element in the reverse order. So what we will do, we will just take a stack for that, stack in st, and we will just follow this the whole approach. So what we will do, we will just, instead of in place back, what I will do, I will just put all the element in the stack. I will just take do push in the stack, and after this loop I will just push all the element in the stack in the reverse order, st dot empty. So we dot push back all the elements in the reverse order top, and then st dot pop. So this is from level, and when we just change the level, then we what we will do, we will just change the value flag. So value flag will be changed accordingly. Let if flag is if true, then it will become not true. That means it will become false. And after that, what we will do, we will just return the vector. So that is our code. Let us try to execute it. Let me compile it. It is giving compile time error that t. Okay, I forget to write arrow here. Similarly, I have to forget arrow here. Let us compile it. So it is working fine. It is working fine. Let us try for the test case. Let us try for this test case. So okay, it is already written. So first one is we need to go from we just follow the level order traversal. So first is 7, then 9, then 7, then 8, then 8, then 6, then we are having null, then 10, then 9. Okay, let me check it. So yeah, it is fine. Let us submit it. Okay, it is working. So it is the approach that we will just follow the level order traversal, and we just do some changes, that is this variable bool variable, which will decide that we which will decide the movement that we have to go to left to right or right to left. So that's it. If you like this video, hope uh, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.